Welcome to the Mind Museum. I am Laura, that's our all backwards. You are about to enter a science museum where you can learn about the interconnected stories of the smallest things to the biggest things in the atom, life, Earth, and universe, and how they come to form technology. With me and the Mind Museum's dance team, the Kembots. Having arms and legs like you, the Kembots are very excited to show you their graceful moves. Now let's give a round of applause for the Kembots as they dance to the Mind Museum song.
Oh, clap your hands.
Our next song is Dream School, the theme song of Mind School, our very own TV show.
Wow. They're dancing, ah.
Dino poop!
Ayan, dino poop. Yan, the poop of the dinosaur. That is a tornado. Kuya Volcano. Ayan, the fossils.
You left me in the scary bridge.
I feel dizzy.
Were you dizzy, Nina?
Yeah, it's moving.
My mind was playing Sonic with me. Check here.
Leah, oh, look at the dinosaur. It's so big. Ay, sino yun? Daddy, nahihilo ka! Ay, nakakahilo. Aray ko. Ay, get inside.
I don't want to.
It's okay, get inside with her.
It's okay now, get inside, please shoot.
Yeah.
In such minuscule degrees is also falling towards you. Thanks to Einstein and his theory of general relativity, we know now that
The
gravity
law
is
of
not a
relativity.
force.
What the? He said 60% negative.
Ah, this is the entrance, Daddy. Daddy, this is the entrance. Come
Can we
on.
go into the...
Can we go inside? Daddy, ito may entrance.
Uy, ay! Uy, tara na! Hintay lang doon. There's a lot.
That's the blue one, the hottest. The red. The yellow star. So that is the life of the star. Ayan, we go there. Ayan. And then Kuya will go there on the... Let's watch Kelkel's face. Ay, just... Yay! Yan, Kuya's face is coming out. So nice. Kuya is an astronaut now. Not yet coming.
Miguel is astronaut.
Where's si Leah's face? Oh, Kuya's face is there. He's now an astronaut. Yan, maybe. Yeah, Leah is there. Yan. They're astronaut. Ayan, si Daddy nandun din. Yan, the three of them. Yeah, it's so nice. What's that, Daddy? That's Mars. What's on Mars?
The first landing.
The Martian? The one we watched?
The first landing.
Ay, Kilo, you're already there. Ano, ganda ng moon. Teka lang. Those are the faces of moon. Kaya nga. Faces of moon. You can manipulate that. Oh.
Vaccine.
Those are the faces of the moon.
Wala na naman ako.
Huwag kang lumayas. Saan ka lumayas? Because there's somebody. Nasaan na si Tito Mel? Teo, na dito lang kami. Pumunta kay Bella. Nasaan si Bella?
Picture lang ah.
Yeah. Dali.
Tanto, you should in that part.
That's how the planet was formed. Okay, you look at how it...
Are you also going to film?
I'm already vlogging. The baby astronaut. Ay, Daddy, mag-ano ka dun sa astronaut? Picture, dali. Layas yan si Rioni. And then select. Just shoot and shoot. So you have so many options. Yan. Explore. Dali na, explore. Mommy's just vlogging.
What's this?
Oh, what's that? Wow, it's so cute. Ano yan, Daddy? Oh, astronaut.
That's living in us. Yes.
It's like in Martian.
Yeah, that's living in space.
Leah, you're...
See the Martian?
Step. That's the first step by step.
Look, yes. You like this.
The factory, they will grow out.
South Sea Pearl. Yan, those are the real pearls. Yeah, now you know. It's expensive. This one is big. Oh. 11 months. 12 months. 5 months. Hello, Hel. Hello.